Fuck. Okay. Hey, are you sure there are no other light bulbs? I know. I already checked the cabinet. No. That's how the fuck it works. I can't use a bulb in my room. I need a new bulb. You keep bulbs in there? The fuck? Come on.
Why is it so dark?
None of the bulbs work.
You're silly.
How'd you do that?
What do you mean? They're dimmable. You just have to turn the knob. See?
Dimmable.
You didn't know that?